Well, hello, first grade friends. Now you know about the life cycle stages of a toad and a butterfly. Today we're looking at another insect, an animal with 6 legs. And I'm here at a pond because it lives around a pond. We may even be looking at it through a magnifying glass or hand lens. Remember what a magnifying glass does? Let's take a look at the life cycle of another amazing insect. Hello friends. I wonder where a baby dragonfly would live. They like to fly around a pond, eating mosquitoes and other flying insects when they're adults. But when they're young, they live underwater in the nymph stage, also known as the naiad stage. So I'm going to take this net of science and dip it in the water and see if I can catch dragonfly nymphs. Here I go. They like to live along the edge here. So I'm wondering if there might be some right here. Right along the edge. Oh yeah. And then I'll reach out top of the weeds there. This is a great place where I might find dragonflies. Think I got any? I wonder. Let's take a look and see if I got any dragonfly nymphs. Looks good, doesn't it? I was fortunate enough to catch 3 different species of dragonfly nymphs. So just like birds, there are many species of dragonfly. There are over 100 just in Michigan alone. And these are 3 different species, and the nymphs look different too. Look at the body shape. They all have some things in common though. Look at these nymphs. Or they're also called naiads. Naiad is the word for an underwater nymph of an insect with only 3 stages. Wow. Check this out. This dragonfly nymph or naiad actually has the wing buds. See the little buds that will become wings when it grows up and flies above the pond? That must mean it's getting older. Maybe it's getting ready to molt or transform into the adult soon. Wow, look at the wing buds on that dragonfly naiad or nymph. Very cool. Hello, friend. Here's what it looks like through the magnifier. Wow. You can really see those wing buds when I do that. Hello, first graders. Now that you've been to the pond with me, capturing dragonfly nymphs, now let's take a look at their life cycle. Take a look. Remember how the butterfly started off as eggs? Well, so does the dragonfly. The eggs are laid above the water by the adults. Adults reproduce and lay eggs above the water. The eggs hatch out and they turn into tiny little nymphs. A nymph is a baby insect that has 3 stages to its life cycle. So because this one lives underwater, dragonfly babies are actually called naiads. Naiad is a science term for nymph. So because it lives underwater, this naiad or nymph will grow up. It'll spend maybe a year underwater, maybe 2, maybe 3, before it finally turns into an adult. In insect lives, many times the adults do not live very long. They live long enough to mate and lay eggs, so the cycle goes all over again. So I challenge you now to take the Dragonfly Challenge. See if you can come up with the life cycle stages of the beautiful, amazing dragonfly. They catch a lot of mosquitoes flying around in wetlands and ponds and lakes. So let's take a look. Eggs to a nymph or naiad stage into an adult dragonfly. 1, 2, 3 stages in the life cycle of the dragonfly. I hope you see dragonflies this summer. Yo, dragonflies are so cool. Check it out. They are predators. They fly above water and they love to eat small insects.